And that does not mean that you are ultra rich. It means you get to eat. That's what it means. And you don't have to count on Social Security. I'm going to retire in the government, which is well known for its ability to handle money. He's going to take care of me. Dumb idea.
Alright, as you guys know, I do a little bit of gaming, but I also like to pursue my entrepreneurial side. And today is a very special day. Actually, this week, two very important things are happening this week. We're gonna go to see a Dave Ramsey talk today. That's gonna be exciting, you know, learn more about money, saving money and all that. We're gonna vlog that. Also, I'll be going to Utah this week. I'm gonna go see Terry Crews talk at UVU, which is gonna be amazing. One of the most inspirational things I've ever seen. Listen to his podcast with Lewis Howes, and that was just amazing in general. So right now we're gonna go get some B-roll. I need to go find the Rock Church so I can go inside for the Dave Ramsey talk. That's gonna be exciting. And yeah, let's go find out where it is. It's like Disneyland out here. Look how long this line is over there. About to go in. It's gonna be a fantastic night. About to learn a lot. It's be great. Alright, here inside the event, it's pretty big. Look around, all those seats filled up. Alright, but we're close right next to the stage. It's gonna be a great event. Can't wait, really excited for him to go talk. It's gonna be an amazing night. Alright, if you haven't already, make sure you comment down below. If you have any entrepreneurial ideas, let me know. Hey, join my group on Discord, you already know. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Well, most of the states have fairly generic probate law, but the state that you live in dictates what happens to your estate when you die. You need a will. And all of a sudden you start to believe again that maybe you do control your destiny. Maybe you're not a victim of a systemic economic problem.
You find me.
Of course I would.
Okay,
I gotta get you on the vlog.
This is impressive right now.
I gotta get you on the vlog.
This is some next level stuff. I'm not on your selfie game, man. This is
I just gotta create content.
okay,
You know.
what are we doing here?
Oh, I just want you to listen for the vlog. You already know.
Hey, okay, what kind of vlog is this? Who are we talking to?
My YouTube, you know, the followers out there, you know, what should
Hey,
they
followers.
know?
What they need to know is the 7 baby steps. If you want to win with money, you've got to do the stuff Dave teaches in the order that he teaches it. Don't veer from it. Don't try to make up your own. You're not unique. You're not special. If you follow this stuff, you can win. You can become debt free, build wealth, and live and give like no one else. That's the goal. That's the goal, baby.
Speaking facts.
Oh yeah.
Wow. This is gonna be the 7 baby steps from the Dave Ramsey thing I went to. It was amazing. So step number 1 of the 7 baby steps. Save $1,000 for your starter emergency fund. Of course, that's necessary. You know, you always gotta have the, oh crap money that, you know, that whatever happens, like tire, you fell, or just something tragic happens. You need to have money just for your emergency fund. Baby step number 2. Pay off all debt except the house using the debt snowball. Baby step number 3. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a fully funded emergency fund. You never know. Always gotta be prepared. Baby step number 4. Invest 15% of your household income in retirement. That's what you gotta do. And you know, being 18 years old, we gotta start young because you know, you can retire and still have a lot of money and don't have to worry about debt at all. Baby step number 5. You know, if you have children. I don't have children, but it's to save for your children's college fund. I mean, college isn't for everyone. It's really up to you as a personal, but try to make sure college is free if you want to pursue that, or if you want to put that on your child. Make sure they don't have to pay for it. Make sure they don't go to college with any debt. Okay? Baby step number 6. Pay off your home early. You don't want to go into that debt. You don't want to incur the increasing rates. It's just horrible. You're gonna be stuck in that snowball that we talked earlier. And baby step number 7, build wealth and give. Giving is one of the most important things. It makes you feel better, and you know, if you're more positive, you can help out the world. And you know, we all need better people. And yeah, so those are the 7 baby steps of the Dave Ramsey Smart Money Talk that I went to. Really enjoyed it, and you know, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure you leave a like. Comment what your thoughts about it and how you are gonna save money as well. Make sure you subscribe, stay tuned for the next vlogs and videos I post, because you know I'm trying to post every single week. I also stream at twitch.tv/Kakao_US. You can check me out there. I stream a bunch of games, tournaments, wagers and whatnot. And yeah, catch up with the vlogs. Thank you all. Follow all social medias down in the link down below. Thank you very much. Hope you all have an amazing day. Make sure you keep on saving money. Make sure you keep on grinding so we can build that wealth together. I want to see all my subscribers, every single one of you, gain that wealth so we can all hang out on a yacht together. All right? Catch y'all next time. Deuces.